Hello, everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. And today we have a special guest with us. His name is Isan Agrawal, and he recently got selected in Accenture for a package of 12 LPA plus for AEH role, right, Isan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so congratulations, Isan, for getting selected in Accenture for such a huge package.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay, so before we start with the podcast, so can you please tell us a bit about yourself?
Hello, everyone. I am Ishan Agrawal, and I am in my final year, and I am successfully placed at Accenture with a lot of rejection in my life right now. That's it.
Okay, so what is the package offered and what is the role? Can you tell? Can
Sir,
you tell?
actually, the package offered is 12.2 LPA, and
Mhm.
the role is AEH,
What is that like full form? It is something like application engineer.
uh, application engineer, something like that.
Okay, great. So yeah, so let us understand from you, like, what was the failure, how many companies you applied, and what all things happened, which batch you were, probably which college, which stream. So little more detail we want to hear
So,
from you.
I am pursuing BTech Computer Science Engineering in core without any specialization, and I have applied in 40 plus companies and rejected by six companies in the interview round only. And
Hmm.
at last, I have selected in Accenture,
Hmm.
and
You're from the batch of?
I have batch of 2022 to 2026, sir.
Okay, 2026. Great.
Yes, sir.
And what is your stream?
My stream is Computer Science Engineering, sir.
Okay, yeah, you said okay.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe you can go little slow. So I think you are little fast.
Okay,
So
sir.
not the problem. So how did you apply? Can you tell the process, like, and is there is a difference in the process of assistant system engineer and advanced assistant system engineer on this AEH role? So can you give us little clarity in this?
Basically, sir, this is our on-campus placement opportunity. So we have received the mail from the TP cell of our college,
Uh-huh.
and then we have registered on it. And after that, we received the mock test mock test link, and after that, we have our examination.
Mm-hmm.
And the examination is consist of the behavioral round, then cognitive round, then technical MCQs, then technical coding area.
Mm-hmm.
And then after we clear all that, we have a communication round, and after that, we have interview.
Okay.
And
So, okay. So in coding, I mean, do you know the difference between ASE and this AEH role, except the package? Like, what is the difference in their process or exam?
no, sir, there is no any change in the pattern, sir. Because
Okay.
for the AH role also, they have only the same pattern.
Okay.
Depends on the how you are performing on the OA and the interview round, sir.
Okay. So
So the
maybe,
questions are same for everyone.
okay, maybe like marks wise, like suppose if somebody is
Yeah.
scoring,
The
40
weightage you are
marks.
scoring in all other sections, sir.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. So, okay. Anyway, before I ask you some more question, can you please tell us like what was the role of online study for you in your selection?
Sir, actually, I have watched your the previous year and the mock test and some of the aptitude questions videos in online study for you channel, sir, which helped me a lot. And the tricks you have telling us while solving the aptitude questions that helps me more, sir.
Okay. So now, can you please elaborate a little about, the exam pattern from starting from the behavioral, cognitive. So each round, can you give us like little more detail, how much
Yes, sir.
time
The
or how many questions? So
okay,
that in detail.
okay.
Mhm. So
Sir,
try
in the
to explain
behavioral
everything.
round base.
Yeah, try to
Okay, sir.
explain everything in very much detail. Okay.
Okay, sir. In the behavioral round, it is the first part of our assessment test.
Mm-hmm.
So before that, we have a mock test. Sorry, I forgot to mention the mock test.
Mm-hmm.
Mock test is very important to give it as
Mm-hmm.
if you are not going, if you are not attending the mock test, then you may be lead to disqualify in the assessment part, sir. So
Okay.
in the mock test, we will be getting an idea about the gamified round where we can expect the expected game which are going to come in our assessment only.
Mm-hmm.
So in our mock test, we have the three games and same the games are in the assessment round.
Mm-hmm.
And before assessment, gaming assessment. There are English behavioral round, which
Hmm.
consists of 54 questions, and we have to rank ourselves on that, like agree, partially agree, disagree, or totally disagree.
Yeah, I
And
strongly agree. Yeah.
expected time will be 20 minutes only.
Hmm.
And after that, if
How many
we have
questions? How many questions you said?
54, 50 to 55 questions, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Hmm.
So, as I think it is not an elimination round, and the next round is gamified round where we have three games, and each games have timestamp of 7 minutes, and within 7 minutes we have to reach maximum level we can, as much
Hmm.
as we can. And the first game was like aeroplane game where we have to give the path, shortest path to reach the
Okay, this
destination,
rocket launching kind of.
rocket launching kind of.
Mhm.
And the next game was of key and the door to
Mhm.
open the locker or whatever it may be.
Mhm.
So basically in that game uh, we have to memorize the path that we are
Mhm.
covering this path or not, because
Mhm.
they had the block in right or left anywhere.
Correct, correct.
So in after that the next game is the bubble game where there are three bubbles and we have to solve the equation, and we have to arrange it in the increasing order. So it
Correct.
is very hard task, that because it has 14 seconds for each questions. If you are not solving it within 14 seconds, then the question will be changed. The another question will be visible to you, sir.
Correct. And the equations are tough, like square root or decimals.
As the level increases,
Mhm.
the natural number turns to decimal number, sir.
Okay, decimal
So
numbers.
that's the challenging part.
Okay, okay. Mhm. Okay, good.
And if we clear the gamified round, then we have to wait for the submission of the answer. It
Mhm.
may take 4 to 5 minutes, and then in the mail we will receive that you have qualified or not. And after qualifying that, we
Mhm.
will be giving the link for the technical MCQ.
Okay.
So when we proceed with the technical MCQ, there are 45 questions around,
Mhm.
and out of that are some Microsoft Office Excel Office questions, Excel question, and pseudocode is there, and fundamentals questions of computer science, and questions on networking and cloud computing and
Operating
fundamentals.
system.
Operating systems are also there, as we have a sequel in the last part, so let's cover there only, sir.
Okay. So, and how much time will be there for 45 question? Around
Around
45?
40 to 45 minutes, sir. Actually, it's
I
a
don't
basically
know.
MCQ question, so
Okay.
because the more time taken in the pseudocode area, sir.
Okay,
Like the
okay.
pseudocode is
So,
they are mentioning very
pseudocode will be based on what, like data structure or
bitwise operator, sir. Totally bitwise operator, and or get totally bitwise operator, sir. Not very tough, but the code seems to be very tough, as they are mentioning very long questions. But when we go to the main part of the code in the
Mhm.
main program, we
Mhm.
will check the specific method has been called there. So when we reach to the specific method, it will easy to solve us rather than to solve the overall problem, sir.
Do you have some, do you know some kind of questions like can you prepare few questions like 5 to 10 questions which was asked, so it will be helpful for a student and that we can provide it to them.
Okay, sir. We will try on it, sir. I
Okay.
will prepare it later.
Yeah, yeah. Next week they have
And
exams, so if possible, if you can prepare, it will
okay,
help
okay,
us.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir. And after clearing the technical MCQ, we have the next round, that is our coding round, where
Mhm.
we have three sections. That is
Mhm.
first is backend part, with DSA.
Mhm.
That is of array and string only, and the next is
Mhm.
SQL part, where we have to use the join, and the condition will be mentioned there only.
Mhm.
And the next question is for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Mhm.
Individual task will be there for all the three questions,
Mhm.
and after that, it will be over your examination, sir.
Okay, and then communication round, right?
Then we have to wait for the shortlist students for the communication round, and again there will be interview for the communication after the communication round, and after all that
So
we will get the
communication
results.
communication round, like is it elimination round or how it is?
I think, sir, it is not an elimination round,
But some,
because
but somehow the
it's
marks
consist
will
of
be.
only SAVR question. Yeah,
Mm.
actually, sir, every section has a weightage, sir. The
Mhm.
more you score, the more you are in the higher role, sir.
Correct.
Basically, in my experience, I am telling like that, sir.
Mhm. Correct. No, no, it will be definitely. Otherwise, see, just for time pass, they will not. Okay, communication round is
Yeah,
there. If it is not an elimination round, then definitely somewhere
yes,
they are
sir.
going to take into account, right? Otherwise, what is the use
Yes,
of
sir.
company conducting a communication round simply, So that doesn't make sense. So your experience is correct
Yes,
only.
sir.
Okay, so now interview. So can you tell us like what was the question asked in the interview?
Basically, in the interview, they totally ask on the resume part, and initially they mentioned that we are not going technically, as we are not going to deep into technology. So they are overviewing the resume and asking from the resume only that explain your project. The
Mm-hmm.
first question is intro as a basic question,
Mm-hmm.
then on project and the quanter question on the project area, sir. As what are the challenges you have faced while doing the projects, and
Mm-hmm.
if there is any communication issue in your group, then how you are going to solve it. And along
Managerial.
with that, if you are
Mm-hmm.
you
Manager
are
kind
really
of.
lead, yeah, managerial question, and basically HR question is there, not a tough question, sir.
Okay.
Basically, everyone can clear it as is an HR question. So totally depend on your experience, how many rejection you have, and how much strong you have prepared on your.
Okay. Good. So for how much time the interview was there?
So 20 to 22 minutes, sir, not more
One
than that.
only
22
only
minutes
only
maximum.
one round, right?
Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Only one round.
Good.
Yes,
So I think we got this enough information from you. Or maybe if there is some doubt, we will definitely again catch hold of you.
yes,
So
sir.
thanks a lot, Isan, for coming here, and maybe that pseudocode or some coding questions, if you could help us with that,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
so it will definitely help other student to perform well in the exam. Okay.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, all the questions are all mentioned on your channel only, sir. As is a
Yeah.
previous year and the mock test and the
Yes.
mock
Yes.
interview also helped me, sir.
Yeah. Even inside the courses, also like we
Yes,
have
sir.
covered like a lot of
Ha, ha.
questions, which is
So
even like
basically, all these things only, sir. And the questions in the examination are also repeated. As the experience increases, you can solve the question by confidence also, sir.
correct, correct. So that's the reason we
Uh,
have covered like
uh,
a lot of things, but still I just
Lots of
wanted
questions
to.
are there, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, so even inside the courses, no, see that YouTube itself, you are seeing so many videos, and
Yes, sir.
inside the courses, like only some 40 plus videos are there on pseudocode. So what we do know, like we try to cover from basic till the the high level. So I mean, so that nothing goes missing. Even something which is we know that okay, this also can this from here also question can be framed. That also we take in account, so
Yes,
that
sir. We all, sir, you cover all the edge cases, sir. Yes.
correct. So that's what we do. But still, I wanted to make sure, okay, if something, see, I don't want like, something goes missing and tomorrow somebody comes and say, no, no, sir, this you did not cover, and then, so that is the only reason I was telling, okay, if there is something which is, not aligned with our YouTube or maybe courses, then definitely we
Okay,
can
sir. Sure, sir.
cover it. So you just try,
Yes.
and definitely
Yes,
with
sure,
your
sir.
name, we will publish on our website that with your name, we will publish it on our website. So
Sure,
that we
sir.
will do it. So pseudocode and whatever you feel, or maybe a
Okay,
pattern
sir.
or
Okay, sir.
something, so that you do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.